Hi, welcome to Apify, your go-to web scraping and automation platform. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use SSL and Web Analyzer. Whether you're a developer, a security professional, or someone interested in automation, this actor can save you time and uncover valuable insights. Let's start by exploring what my actors can do. It scans IP ranges to discover SSL configurations and extract the real IP behind web application firewalls, which many companies often leave unsecured. It's designed to be both powerful and easy to use. And the best part? You don't need any coding experience to get started. To begin, you'll need an Apify account. If you don't already have one, head over to console.apify.com and sign up. It's free, and you get $5 worth of credits each month. Or you can check the link below in the description, which will take you directly to the actor. Once you're logged in, go to the Apify store and search for SSL and Web Analyzer. You can head to the information section for more details about the actor and what it can do. Now, let's create a new task to save your configuration and reuse it later. This makes it easy to run the actor multiple times without setting it up from scratch. Next, we'll configure the input. For example, if you're scanning IP ranges, you'll enter your IP range and select a checkbox to either use masscan or enter IP addresses directly. You can adjust the settings depending on your needs. Next, I'll go to Google and write in the search engine EC2 reachability. I'll choose one of the results, for example, US East. Then I'll select one of the IP ranges I have from Amazon Web Services. You can modify the input as you like. These are my choices. Determine the number of results, let's say 21, and leave the rest of the settings as default. Now, let's start the actor. Once it's running, the actor will process the data and retrieve the results for you. Depending on the size of the task, this might take a few minutes. If you have a specific need that this actor doesn't cover, feel free to visit the Custom Solutions page and submit a request. We can build something tailored to your needs. Once the actor has finished, you can export the results in various formats such as CSV or Excel, making it easy to analyze or share with your team. Let's check out the data we collected. Now we have a nice collection of data, which we can export in a variety of formats and pass it on to our analysts so they can process it. This Actors is perfect for tasks like vulnerability assessment, SSL configuration analysis, data collection, and automating repetitive tasks. Congratulations, you're now ready to go and gather data that will help you in your business, marketing, and research activities. Whether you're in security research, data analysis, or marketing, this tool can help you make informed decisions. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore other actors on the Apify store to automate more tasks. Happy scraping and automating!